I'm Joe Bollman. We are actually adding in a honey super. These are actually a little different than the normal big supers. These ones actually are actually made of wax. And these will be the ones where we get our cut honeycomb to hand out for Christmas presents and later on for sale. We took and put them together. We didn't do a video on it because we did the video before, and it's very self-explanatory. The same concept, just wax instead of plastic. Painted it, and we are going to be getting ready to take and put it on top of our beehive. It's 10 frames, just like our regular supers. Hi, back again. We are about to smoke the beehive and install the honey super. Alright. Give these guys a little bit of warning. I'm going to start panicking like hell. Look at that. They're doing really good. I am very impressed with my very first beehive. We've already gotten several jars of honey. Wow, it's stuck again, so we're going to actually have to pry it up. I never bought one of those bee tools. I seem to find that this is the normal flathead screwdriver works just perfect. No reason to make some rich person richer. Here, let's put this down. Not trying to hurt anybody. Okay, that should be more than enough. Stick this in my back pocket if I can reach my back pocket. If not, it's gonna stay right there. Now we put some. We put some of the frames back in that were actually empty, and I'm going to see how they're doing. And we only did this, what, how many days ago? The 11th? How many days ago was that?
Was it the 11th?
That's what you put on the jars. Look at it. Look how much they've already built on top of that.
My goodness.
Hey, back here with the bees. Jess, you want to let Dan in? Okay, now you don't want to kill them too bad with the. So then we are going to add another layer, and hopefully these guys will be very satisfied. What is stuffing? Is it the wax? Yes, the wax.
That's funny.
Your friend was up front.
Oh, it doesn't want to sit very well. It's like it's cockeyed for some reason. Oh, I don't like that. Look at that. That's the living crap. I'm gonna have to actually probably shape something. It's not sitting right. Right there. Got a knife on you? It looks like that one. Oh. Thank God the manufacturers actually don't make stuff correctly, because now our beehive is not sitting flat, and there will be a big gap, and they'll have to work to seal it themselves. That sucks. Huh. Yeah, you might have to go a little bit further to taper it. What elastic? Well, from now on, I know to check my bottoms and make sure they're actually lined up properly. These ones are the wax, so I'll have the cut comb instead of the spin the stupid stuff. Alright, second attempt. Let's see if we can actually get this to sit on there a little bit more flush so we don't have so big of a gap. Yeah, we still have a lot of gap. I mean, they will seal this on their own, but it kind of just blows that it's not. When you spend this kind of money, It was just $32 just for this, and I still had to build it myself. And now it's not even sitting properly. So this is all I'm going to be able to do. All right, let's put. Okay, guys, the inner cover back on. Be super, super slow, not to squish any of these poor little guys. Come on. Actually, I'm going to
Shake them.
Yep. Okay, putting the main cover back on. Nice and careful. Come on, Dylan. There's one that's just in the way, and I don't want to squash a little booger. Come on, come on, come on. Okay. Make sure that we're as even as possible, because this is the way it sits forever. They will fix this small gap. I really, really wish it wasn't here. Okay. Shit, this is just... Next time I go to build a box, I'm picking it out myself, because I don't think that lady picked it very good. Alrighty. Okay, see how much more I can piss these guys off by just standing in here. I do notice over time that this thing's been trying to work its way out. There. Some of the guys out of the way. There. Now we got our honey super on for our cut comb later in the fall when we go to harvest our honey. Thank you very much, and you have a good day. Bye.